I said pretty little mama, it really got me torn up. Make a youngin' wanna pour up. Hey, yeah, sipping on the double, got me mixing up the trouble. Girl, it's for us. Why you got me singing on the chorus? Yeah.
Oh snap! Oh snap!
My package came in the mail before I even expected it to get here. Your girl had to get ready just to stay in the house because quarantine. Y'all, like, I was really struggling opening this with one hand.
Oh snap!
I ain't ready for this.
They definitely not ready for this one. You know I gotta lay the edges, so I'm using my favorite edge control so my edges can be slicked. I haven't seen my hair straight in so long, and your girl really feeling herself right now. Inches. So I did my other eye off camera. I mixed brown and red into my crease. I'm using a white concealer to cut the crease. Putting a little bit of foundation on my cheeks to cover up dark marks. So next I'm putting bronzer on my cheeks to slim my face out just a little bit. It was at this moment she knew her highlight was popping.
looking like a whole brand new.
It's your fucking birthday. It's a fucking celebration. Tonight we celebrate. It's a celebration.
Hey,
It's your birthday.
it's your birthday.
Go Dream. It's
Hey.
your birthday. 21.
Hey, it's your
Today.
birthday. Hey,
Dream.
it's
21.
your birthday.
2020.
Hey,
She's
it's your
21.
birthday.
Go Dream.
It's your birthday.
Go Dream.
It's your birthday.
Blow it out. You ready?